Meanwhile, thousands of passengers remain stranded in various ports nationwide due to the adverse weather conditions spawned by Super Typhoon Yolanda. The Coast Guard said the stranded passengers are in ports in central and western Visayas and southern Tagalog. Other details from Christine Santos.
The Philippine Coast Guard maintains its heightened alert after the strongest typhoon in 2013 hit the Philippines. According to PCG spokesman Armand Balilo, aside from of stranded passengers, they are keeping their watch over seaports in the country as sea vehicles may not adhere the agency's advisories. Balilo added those who will not follow Rear Admiral Rodolfo Isorena's orders will face penalties.
Magmula kahapon, meron na italang 2,995 stranded passengers sa mga ports ng Kabisayaan, sa Bicol at maging dito sa Southern Tagalog. Dito sa Metro Manila, may 4 na barko na hindi pinayagang maglayag sa kadahilan ng may bagyo rito at saka yung pupuntahan nila, may bagyo rin. Pero ang naitalangan stranded passengers lang nandito ay around 170 lang. Wala pa namang na-record o na-report na any maritime incident dito sa nangyaring bagyo. And we're hoping na matatapos ng bagyo na walang fishermen na nawala at walang maritime incident na may report sa Philippine Coast Guard.
Meanwhile, equipment for rescue operations have been brought to flood-prone areas in Manila.
Naka-standby kasi yung mga rescue teams natin at gagamitin natin ito kung sakaling may mga ilangan. Pero obviously, hindi natin ito nadala dun sa bandang Visayas, no? Sapagkat kadi-deliver lang. Pero naka-standby ito para dito sa mga rescue operations kung sakaling merong flooding sa mga ganap dito sa Metro Manila at maging dito sa Southern.
Moreover, rescue teams, medical assistance groups, divers and canine sniffers were also deployed.
Yung early warning campaign ng pamahalaan na dahil may super typhoon na huwag na maglayag para na rin sa kabutihan ng ating mga kababayan.
For People's Television Network, Christine Santos.